Let's get in Gargi to speak about one that a couple of brokerages are looking from the real estate space, and that is Sobha Developers. Gargi, JP Morgan, JM Financial, a couple of others have come out with reports. What are they saying?
Well, a buy recommendation from the brokerages you mentioned, that's JP Morgan, Macquarie and JM Financial. The target price in the range of 394 to about 440 rupees per share, and a good upside from current levels. In fact, we've seen the stock rallying even yesterday. They had some news coming out on the pre-sales. They've reported the highest ever pre-sales in the second quarter. That's almost 527 crore rupees, and on a quarter-on-quarter basis, that's almost a 10% jump. In fact, JP Morgan is saying that the relaunch of few projects and very strong demand, that's going to drive the revenues going forward, and that's probably one reason we've seen the pre-sales also jumping in this particular quarter. They expect the company to achieve the 2,000 crore rupee mark. That was the pre-sales target that they had set for the year, and 50% of that in fact is already achieved in the first half of the year, so clearly on track for that one. But they've mentioned that valuations, if you compare it with peers, is a bit stretched, and there will be, there will have to be a significant scale up in revenues before the company can, before JP Morgan can actually go ahead and re-rate the target price that they've mentioned. The revenue growth, in fact, that they've mentioned for FY14 looks pretty strong, almost a 50% jump from FY12 levels. They are expecting close to about 2,200 crore rupees. That's versus about 1,400 crores in FY12.
Okay, Gargi, many thanks for bringing us that bit of an update. So lots of real estate stocks. Jagdish spoke about some. Sobha is the other one that we're talking about. Jagdish, while we're talking about mid caps at large, and we'll get in Poonam to speak about some volume buzzers as well. A large cap in news today has to be HDFC, 4.5% off, a big bulk deal as well, a marquee investor selling out.